While camping can undoubtedly be arduous, there are times when one yearns to go car camping and bask in nature's serenity. Fortunately, some straightforward yet practical gadgets can facilitate a rewarding car camping excursion. Therefore, we invite you to revel in our video showcasing 20 remarkable car camping gadgets and accessories. If you think a car cannot have a proper RV-like kitchen, the Nomad Kitchen will prove you wrong. It's an entirely foldable kitchen that fits almost every vehicle for an appropriate experience of cooking, like in an RV. It features 2 wood-burner stoves, a stainless steel sink, pantry doors for storage, and so on. Planning to camp somewhere with a skiing facility? Then the Chuck Bucket can cut the hassle of carrying skis. Including numerous locking systems, the Chuck Bucket keeps the skis safe from getting dense during sudden brakes and speed bumps. In addition, the user can properly tilt this easy-loading ski rack to access the trunk effortlessly. Taking a dump has always been a problem in the wilderness, but the Port-A-Potty 365 eliminates that problem with its modern and ergonomic design. A signature pour-out spout is included for a clean flush without any backsplashes, while the sealed valve prevents odors from coming out. Do you even need anything else? Someone may use the backseat bivvy for an even surface, but the Lumo Air Mattress 2.0 makes that surface sleepable. This inflatable mattress comes in a practical design including 2 bases and a Lumo inflator for quick inflation. 2 sides need to be inflated separately for a double bed, or in case the user is so low, one side can be folded, creating some extra cargo space. No one knows when the car will face an issue while in the wilderness, and that's when the Noco Boost Plus GB40 will come in handy with a quick jump start. This 1,000 ampere portable jump starter is powerful enough for up to a 6-liter gasoline engine and a 3-liter diesel engine. May look compact, but it can give up to 20 jump starts in a single charge. Meet the Garmin Overlander, a reliable off-road GPS to explore the unknown. With Garmin's top-of-the-line networking system and 24K topographic maps, this navigator can show every little detail of the adventure. The addition of iOverlander helps the user find public campsites, while the powerful magnetic mount makes things even easier. This is the eRove, a portable cooler from Furrion that can go for 5 days long in just a single charge. It comes with its own mini compressor and top-notch insulation for keeping the goods in freezing temperature without using ice. Moreover, the massive battery runs for a more extended period, while various charging methods include solar charging for an endless power source. It never hurts to stay prepared in the great outdoors, and the Rhino USA folding shovel will keep the user ready for most unwanted instants in the wilds. A serrated edge is present for cutting any obstacle, while a rotating shovel head will make a pickaxe for tough jobs. Meet the Weekender 8.0, a rooftop water tank from Waterport that fits on any car rooftop. This water tank can hold 8 gallons of fresh water and can self-pressurize thanks to the included regulator. The coiled hose supports a quick connection system, and the spray nozzle has 5 different spray settings for optimal water usage. The MXT 115 is a 2-way radio from Midland, USA, to keep the group connected. It's a 15-watt radio with all the required connections for clear communication. The mouthpiece captures a crystal-clear voice and has 8 repeater GMRS channels, which means the user will be able to connect effortlessly with Midland's FRS or GMRS walkie-talkies. Addition like the NOAA Weather Alert channel makes it more practical for emergencies. You may be carrying a mobile toilet, but what about the much-needed privacy? Well, here's the Wolfwise High-Peak R20, a portable privacy tent that pops up in seconds. Made out of waterproof materials, the tent does not only repel water but harmful UV lights as well. And an easy access door allows the user to access it quickly for emergencies. Keeping a jump starter won't help with the flattened tires now, will it? So meet the Slime Emergency Flat Tire Repair Kit, which will cut that hassle. The repair kit comes with emergency tire sealants to keep you going on the trips, while the powerful tire inflator will inflate the flattened tire with ease. It's unimaginable to spend a cold night in a car without a comfortable blanket, for instance the Thermarest Stellar blanket. This lightweight blanket is very compact to fit in a small pouch, while the parameter snap loops to help it collaborate with another blanket. soft touch lining and top-of-the-line warmth come with the blanket for proper skin-to-skin comfort. So whether on the rooftop tent or inside the car, sleep tight with the Thermarest Stellar Blanket. This is the AirGoGo self-inflatable sofa to uplift the glamping trip to another level. The integrated inflator can inflate this innovative sofa pretty quickly with just a button. Besides being comfortable, it can hold up to 300 pounds of a load and is durable enough for steady and firm support. Moreover, the double-layer design makes it easier to clean after the trips. Let the party start with the Alps Mountaineering Eclipse Table, a foldable table that's compact enough to carry anywhere. It comes in different designs, including a checkerboard or a tic-tac-toe board for some fun games during the camping journey. A lower level has 4 mesh cup holders so that your drink doesn't spill accidentally, while the strong aluminum crossbase will ensure maximum stability. The second version of the iCamper X cover is the good old 4-season rooftop tent, but without the hard cover. It uses Rocky Black FRP instead of the bulky cover. The tent significantly reduces the payload pressure from the vehicle. Its ample interior can easily accommodate 4 people, while the panoramic view lets the users have the clearest view of the area. Don't want to go through the hassle of setting up a tent? Well then, get the backseat bevy and sleep inside the car effortlessly. Basically, after folding the back seats, all we get is an uneven surface, and the backseat bevy evens that surface, creating a smooth and comfortable sleeping space in minutes. Now this one might look like an ordinary box, but the GT foldable box is more than that. This sleek, foldable box can be stored anywhere and effortlessly unfolded to store all the necessary items needed for a car camping trip. Anyone can quickly turn this into a table with a top panel, while the rapid locking system makes the box more practical. Creating a shade around the car isn't a problem anymore with the Rhino back batwing awning. Unlike other conventional awnings, this one is a batwing-style awning, creating a pleasant shade around the car. In addition, the easy installation method makes this more user-intuitive, while the deploy method helps create the perfect shade in no time. Next is the Line Cooler Pro, a portable freezer that'll impress anyone with its ice-freezing cooling technology. This battery-powered portable freezer can be charged in several ways, including solar to keep the foods fresh for even more extended trips. In addition, the battery can be replaced for instant power and can be used as an emergency power bank to charge any electronic device. So that was our list of 20 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.